I'm Michael Gold. I'm a dermatologist in Nashville, Tennessee. I am the medical director of Gold Skincare Center and the Tennessee Clinical Research Center, and have been in derm for 37 years now. I think that's also important. I mean, we've preached forever, and it doesn't happen with every patient. So let's make sure we understand that. But for the patients that we're taking care of, there are some do's and don'ts, right? So if they're using a topical retinoid, we really want them to be careful a couple days before the procedure. We don't want them, I don't want to treat them if they had a laser light procedure the day before. That's not what I want to do. And so we want to make sure they stay away from that. We want to make sure that we understand their skincare routine pretty well beforehand. Some things may not go with a procedure that day. But on the other hand, we have a lot of my patients that come in who are totally naive. And we may think that's weird in today's age with all the hype and promotions that are out there. So if somebody hasn't been on anything, we start right at the beginning. So I think that that's really important. And then I think everybody has to learn sort of the post-treatment world with this, right? We've caused some injury to the skin, and we want to make sure that people use the proper sun protection. They avoid the sun for several days after, you know, and just there's a routine that the medical community will sort of impart on our patients to make sure that they are taking care of themselves with the procedure, right? And now with their integrated world, we have it's called Exo Booster. Exosomes are a very big part of our world now, especially post procedure. There are human based, there's plant based, there's synthetic, and they use something what is known as a lactobacillus derived exosome. I know other companies that have been playing with this kind of molecule before, but I haven't seen any in the U.S. before, and so that is a different way to deliver of creating an exosome, because some people are human of they don't want human based products. They don't understand that a plant can provide anything of a significance. Again, whether that's true or not, that's to be debated. But we have a lot of things that are bacteria derived. So when I inject the toxin into you, it's bacteria derived. A lot of vaccines and things are bacteria derived, and so that's okay. That's okay in our world because we know that's a good way to derive things, and we know through the work that's been done, this helps greatly post treatment to heal things faster, and at the same time give a benefit on the skin surface over time. So having that exosome in this new paradigm has really been helpful. I go back to what we said at the beginning. It's FDA cleared, right? Most important part. It's unique in if you use the Exo Booster, that makes it a unique treatment for our patients. And we've been doing some acne scar work with this, and we know, and soon to publish, that this is going to be really good for our patients' health, skin health, if you will, overall. But we're also seeing some really nice improvement in our acne scar patients. And as a dermatologist, that's what I see a lot. Dermatologists are very apt to handle acne scars. Um, we sort of get a lot of patients that come to us that say, I went somewhere and they told me they'd make my acne scars disappear. You can't make 100% go away. And so I always tell doctors, promise 75 or 80% improvement, give them 90. So you under promise, you over deliver, and then that patient is yours, right? And that patient will do other things, right? And other procedures. And then I introduce them to other of the Dermalogica skincare line. I mean, it's you can't just go to somebody and say, I'm going to make you better. Here's 10 products you're going to use in the morning and 10 products at night. You tell that to a guy and they walk out the office, right? And women are also, they're not happy to use 20 products a day. So if I have a line that I can use certain things and add to them, but they see the benefits of one or two products, three products, then that's what makes them happy. So again, I think that helps a lot for their brand and their skincare and their new pen. I think that all helps.